If only there was some kind of book that came with these tools that told you exactly how they worked. Huh, someone should get on that. All right. If they made that book, I probably wouldn't even use it anyway. All right, well, I said I wasn't going to do it, but here we are. We have the cordless 4-mode brushless impact hammer drill driver combo tool, also known as the hybrid from Makita. I don't know if they call this the hybrid anymore. They did on the first gen years ago. I'm going to keep calling it the hybrid. So, yeah, here it is. And there's a ton of features on this thing. We're going to go through them pretty quickly, and then I'm going to show you a demo of this and a real world practical use. Let's get to it. First off, this thing has a ton of features. This one here changes the speed. Impact, hammer drill, regular drill, and clutch. This thing is $250 by itself with no battery. And it doesn't have a quick change chuck. Like, come on. Okay, so there's that. Okay, now we've got clutch settings. So this button here goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then something called P. Alright, let's do the impact modes and we'll just work our way all the way around. We will save hammer drill for last in the concrete. So this is impact on the first setting. Here we go. Okay, let's bump it up one more. All right, that's 2. Let's see, do it again. Not bad. All right, setting 3. You know what, I was surprised how fast that was. I thought that maybe this thing might be a little bit slower because it does so many features, but it was pretty fast. Let's see. Let's do it again. Yeah, that's not half bad. All right, let's put it on speed 1. Alright, we cannot go into speed 1 for whatever reason. Let me see what's going on here. Oh. Okay, so you don't get a speed selection when you're in impact mode. This is your speed selection and your torque controls. That's pretty cool. Alright, so no speed selection in impact mode other than the electronic speed selection with torque control. Alright, next is just drill. So we're actually going to put a paddle bit on this and see what we can do. If you recall, the last drill did not like the paddle bits at all, and here we go. Yep, that's smoke. And it started to smoke, and we're gonna see what the difference is. We might be asking an unrealistic task with this 1.5" paddle bit, but that's not my fault. I didn't make the tool. Here we go. All right, so that's in high speed. Let's put it in low speed. Here we go. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. Okay, now let's check the different clutch settings. We do get 2 speeds on the clutch, so we'll do load speed, a couple of them. We're not going to show you all these, that's boring, but we are going to show you a couple of them. So we're in clutch setting, and we're in speed 1 with, let's just start in 1, and we'll go from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Okay, here's 1. Okay. Okay, let's put this thing in speed 2. And we're going to back it out and try again. Okay, we're going to put it back in speed 1, back it out. Speed 2. Yeah, so obviously faster speed, lower torque. Yeah, obvious. Clutch setting 5. See what the difference is. So this thing has a ton of control. I'm actually really impressed with how much control this thing has. If only there was some kind of book that came with these tools that told you exactly how they worked. Huh, someone should get on that. All right, if they made that book, I probably wouldn't even use it anyway. Let's go to 8 in high speed. Here we go. All right, let's find out what that P does. Well, now would be a good time as any to do a test on this. Let's put a concrete block in this and see if it holds it. Yep, that's pretty good. We're going to go in the highest speed, and none of these settings are available. This thing is completely blank, so that's all we got there. We do have the light, of course, but we don't need the light. So we're in the highest speed. Let's see how we do. Well, yeah, that was pretty decent actually. This is probably going to replace the flex. Realistically, this drill is going to replace my flex, my setup. This does everything I need it to, and it's one tool. So I had somebody ask me about this. Let me show you real quick. So put this guy here, close that there, make sure you're on lock, and stomp here. And that easy. All right, we got one more thing to do. and that is drive the specs. So and it spins it. 1/2 inch Diablo spade bit. Alright, well that's it for the video. Makita is still making quality products with the same battery platform after all these years. Leave a like, let me know what you thought in the comments below. Thanks for watching.